What are Medicaid HCBS waivers for home care? Imagine being able to stay in your own home instead of moving into a nursing home or hospital. That's what these programs aim to do. They help people get the care they need right where they live. Medicaid Home and Community-Based Services waivers are special federal programs. They let states use Medicaid funds to support long-term care in the community. Normally, Medicaid only pays for care in institutions like nursing homes. But with these waivers, states can offer services in homes, apartments, or community centers. This shift helps people keep their independence and stay connected to their communities. The word waiver means the federal government is allowing states to bypass some standard Medicaid rules. Usually, Medicaid covers long-term care only in facilities. But these waivers let states spend Medicaid money on home-based services instead. The goal is to do this without increasing overall costs. States must show that providing care at home costs the same or less than in a facility. Almost every state and the District of Columbia have HCBS waiver programs. There are about 257 active programs across the country. Each state can create multiple waivers tailored to different groups, like seniors or people with disabilities. These programs have their own rules for who qualifies and what services are offered. To qualify, individuals usually need to meet both medical and financial criteria. They must show they need ongoing care that would otherwise requiring a long-term facility stay. An assessment by a healthcare professional determines if someone needs help with daily activities like bathing, dressing, or mobility. The evaluation also looks at communication skills, learning ability, and independence. Services covered by these waivers go beyond basic Medicaid. They include help from home health aides, homemakers who assist with chores, personal care, adult day programs, and respite care for caregivers. Some programs also offer services to help people transition from institutions back into their homes. It's important to note that room and board costs are not included. Participants work with a case manager to develop a personalized plan of care that fits their needs. States have a lot of flexibility in designing their programs. They decide who they serve, how many people can join, and which services are available. They can also set income and asset limits that are different from standard Medicaid rules. But all programs must meet federal standards to protect participants' health and safety. They need to ensure services are person-centered and cost-effective. From a legal and planning perspective, these waivers are a key part of long-term care strategies. They help seniors and disabled individuals stay in their homes longer. Knowing whether a state offers these programs can influence decisions about estate planning and Medicaid eligibility. They can also impact choices about long-term care insurance and healthcare directives. These programs started under a law called the Social Security Act in 1981. They gained momentum after a Supreme Court decision in 1999 that emphasized the importance of community living for people with disabilities. This led to more states creating and expanding HCBS waivers to support less restrictive living options. If someone is interested in accessing these services, they should contact their state Medicaid agency or the department responsible for long-term care. Each state has its own application process and waitlists, so it's good to check early. Because programs vary, it's important to find out what services are available locally and what the specific eligibility rules are. This way, you can plan ahead and make informed decisions about your care options.